Hello, good morning, my beloved students. I hope you are all doing well. You are enjoying your stay at home. All right, we started a new topic yesterday that was exponents. Today it will be continuation of that topic. So we'll continue with some fun activities. Okay, let's go together. Let's start by the property of the zero exponent. So here we define something. Any number that is raised to the power of 0 is always 1, okay, except for 0. For example, 5 to the power of 0 is 1, 0.42 to the power of 0 is 1, 845 to the power of 0 is 1, 20,015 to the power of 0 is 1, 17 over 5 raised to the 0 is 1. So basically any number, okay, raised to the power of 0, except for 0, of course, is always 1. Okay, that's what we mean by non-zero. So it shouldn't be, this number shouldn't be 0. My base should be any number different than 0. So any number different than 0 as a base raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, let's do some activities. We need to find the value of 10 to the power of 4. So in order to calculate or to find the value of this power, I need first to identify what is my base and what is my exponent. What is the base here? The base is 10. What is the power? Is 4, or the exponent is 4. So what does this mean? It means 10 multiplied 4 times. So 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. How many times? 4 times. So we take this 4 times from the exponent. And now you make your multiplication as usual. 10 times 10 is 100. Multiplied by 10, that's 1000. Multiplied by 10, this is 10,000. All right, so 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000. Great. Let's go to B. 0.4 raised to the third power, or 0.4 cubed. What is this number? First, what is my base? My base, of course, is 0.4. Good. What is my power? It is 3. So my number equals to 0.4 multiplied 3 times. 0.4 to the power of 3 is 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4. So you multiply 0.4 by 0.4, it gives you 0.16. Then 0.16 multiplied by 0.4, it gives you 0.064. Alright, what about 3 over 5 raised to the 0 power? My base is 3 over 5. And my exponent is 0. What did we say about the 0 exponent? We said any number except 0 raised to the power of 0 is equal always 1. So 3 over 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Very good. Now 2 over 3 to the power of 2. Also we can read it 2 over 3 squared. Okay. What is this value? What is my base? It is 2 over 3. And what is my exponent? It is 2. So it is 2 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 to the power of 2 is 2 over 3 multiplied 2 times. So you know how to do your multiplication of fractions. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9. So 2 over 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 over 9. Okay. Now this is your turn. I want you to answer this question. Find the value of each power. 3 to the power of 4, 1 to the power of 9, 2 over 5 to the power of 3, 12 to the power of 2. So pause the video here, answer, then after you finish, play the video to see the answer. Alright, so 3 to the power of 4, my base is 3, my power or my exponent is 4, so it is 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, multiplied by 3, 27, multiplied by 3, that is 81. Okay, 1 to the power of 9, it is 1 multiplied 9 times, 1 times 1 times until the 9th time, that is always equal to 1. Okay, 2 over 5 to the power of 3, it is 2 over 5 multiplied 3 times, so it is 2 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. So you multiply the nominators and you multiply the denominators. Nominators, it is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And in the denominator, you have 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So 2 over 5 cubed is 8 over 125. Good. The last one is 12 squared. What is 12 squared? It is 12 multiplied by 12, which is 144. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now, I have a cube. Let's come back to geometry and volumes. I have a cube which has a side length that is 1 over 3 inches. Now, I want to write the volume of my cube as a power, as a base and exponent. How can I write this? Of course, what is the volume of my cube? It is 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3. What is this? It is 1 over 3 cubed. So the volume of my cube written as power, it is 1 over 3 cubed. And what is the volume? Of course, it is 1 over 3 multiplied 3 times. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 inch cubed. Okay, remember, if you are counting or you are calculating the volume, your unit should be cubed. Here I have inches, then here it should be inches cubed. Very good. Now, what about this question? How do you use an exponent to represent a number such as 16? Let me explain the question again. How can I write the number 16 as a base to the power of exponent? Pause the video here, think about the solution, then play to see my answer. So, I'm going to write it as a product of numbers. So I know that 16 is equal to 4 times 4. Okay. And also I can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Very good. If I found these, then it's easy to write it as a power or as a base raised to an exponent. So 4 times 4 can be written as 4 to the power of 2 because here it's repeated 2 times. Or also it is equal to the base 2 raised to the 4th power. Why? Because it is 4 times multiplication. So I can write 16 as 4 to the power of 2. Also, I can write 16 as 2 to the power of 4. So again, how to do this? Take your number 16 or any number that you are given. Try to find numbers that are equal that you multiply by each other to find 16. Here I found 4 times 4 and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. What about 8? How can I write 8 as a power? What is 8? It is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so it is 2 to the power of 3. Very good. Let's move to the next question. Now, what is the value of 1 raised to the power of any exponent? What is 1 to the power of 3? What is 1 to the power of 5? What is 1 to the power of 1000? What is 1 to the power of 2020? Pause video, think of the solution, then play the video. So 1 to the power of 1, it is 1 multiplied 1 time. Okay. So 1 to the power of 1 is 1. We also said any number to the power of 1 is always that number, that is 1. Okay. Now 1 to the power of 2, my base is 1 and my exponent is 2. So my base multiplied 2 times, which is 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. Now 1 to the power of 5, it is 1 multiplied 5 times here, which is always equal to 1. So 1 raised to any power is always 1. For example, 1 to the power of 2020 is equal to 1. Any number that you have given here, so if your base is 1, then this number is always equal to 1. Let's finish up with this question. What is the value of 0 raised to the power of any exponent? So 0 to the power of 1 is equal to 0. Now 0 to the power of 2, my base is 0 and my power is 2. So it is 0 multiplied 2 times. 0 times 0, I know it is 0. Now what about 0 to the power of 4? Again, my base is 0. So my power is 4, so I multiply it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay? So 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 is always 0. So 0 raised to any number is equal to 0. But be careful, here we have an exceptional case. The number here, or your exponent, shouldn't be 0. It should be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, any number. If it is 0, then 0 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. Okay? Be careful of this. Okay? So 0 raised to any non-zero power means your power is not 0, then this is always equal to 0. Alright guys, here I finish my lesson for today. Thank you so much for following me and see you in the next class. Bye.